In this video, we will review the important aspects of SPSS. SPSS is a program that facilitates data management and statistical analysis. To open SPSS on your personal computer, press the window key on your keyboard. A search bar appears. Type SPSS. From the search results, click IBM SPSS Statistics. The SPSS window opens. Select Type in Data. Click OK. SPSS utilizes multiple types of window in its basic operations. Each window is associated with specific tags and types of SPSS files. The windows include the Data Editor, Output Viewer, Syntax Editor, Pivot Table Editor, Charts Editor, and Text Output Editor. Described in this video are the basic purposes and functions of the three most common SPSS windows, which are the Data Editor, Output Viewer, and Syntax Editor. Now, the window we have open is the Data Editor. The Data Editor window is the default window and opens when SPSS starts. This window displays the contents of any open data file and provides a drop-down menu that allows you to modify and analyze data. The data are displayed in a spreadsheet format, where columns represent variables and rows represent cases. The spreadsheet format includes these two tabs at the bottom, labeled Data View and Variable View. The Data View tab displays the open data set where variables appears in columns and cases appears in row. Also, the Variable View tab displays information about variables in the open data, such as variable names, types, and labels. You will notice that the tab currently displayed will be yellow in color. Now we move to the Output Viewer. The Output Viewer window opens automatically and displays a log of actions taken and the associated outputs when you perform any command in SPSS. Primarily, the Output Viewer is where the results of statistical analysis are shown. To open a new Output Viewer window, we go to the drop-down menu. You click on File, select New, and select Output. The Output Viewer window is divided into two sections. The left, which is this, contains an outline of the contents in the Output Viewer. This outline is useful when you have run many SPSS commands and need to locate a particular section of output easily. The right frame, which is this, contains the actual output. Clicking on an item in the left frame will jump to that content in the right frame. Items that have been selected in the right frame are indicated by a red arrow and a box drawn around the content. You can export all content as PDF, PowerPoint file, and Excel file. Graphs can be saved as JPEG, PNG, or TIF. We also take a review at the Syntax Editor. SPSS Syntax is a programming language unique to SPSS that can be used as an alternative to the drop-down menus for data manipulation and statistical analysis. The SPSS Syntax Editor window is where users can write, debug, and execute SPSS syntax. Now we go back to the data editor window. To open a new syntax editor window, we click on File, select New, and select Syntax. The right panel of the syntax editor window is where your syntax is entered, which is here, where your syntax command is entered. The left panel of the syntax window shows an outline of the commands in your syntax and can be used to navigate within your codes. You can jump to a specific part of your code by clicking on the command in the left panel. This feature is useful for showing the start and end point of a command, especially if the command is longer than one line. Syntax can be saved as an SPS file.